Most people think they're investing smart, but keep losing money. The truth is, it's not the stock market that keeps you broke. It's the way you invest. Let's be real. Life in America is expensive. Rent eats up most of your paycheck. Groceries cost more every month. Your credit card bill feels like a second rent. And savings? Barely there. So when you finally decide to invest your money, you want it to work. You want it to grow. But something keeps going wrong. You're doing everything the internet says. Buy some stocks, try an ETF, maybe even dabble in crypto. But you still don't feel richer. You feel stuck. The reason isn't bad luck. It's that most people are making the same investing mistakes over and over without even realizing it. In this video, we're going to break down 5 investing mistakes that quietly keep you broke and how to avoid them. Most people jump into investing by following what's trending. They buy whatever stock a YouTuber or a friend says is about to explode. They hope one lucky pick will change their life. But the truth is, this approach turns your money into a lottery ticket, and most people lose. Chasing hype leads to panic selling and regret. The real way to build wealth is to have a long-term plan. Know what you're investing in and why. Build a strategy that fits your life, not someone else's excitement. For example, instead of buying random stocks, try starting with a simple SP 500 index fund and build consistency. That one move alone can protect your money from emotional decisions. People believe they have to buy low and sell high, so they wait and miss. They think if they just invest at the perfect time, they'll double their money. But life doesn't give perfect moments, and neither does the stock market. You're more likely to miss the big gains than time them. The real truth is that time in the market beats timing the market every single time. Staying invested through ups and downs allows compound growth to work its magic. For example, if you had just left your money in the market for the past 20 years, you would have grown it steadily despite multiple crashes. But jumping in and out would have killed your returns. Most people don't even realize they're losing money to fees. They use apps or funds that charge 1 or 2% annually thinking it's no big deal. But over time, those small fees become massive drains on your growth. The truth is, investment fees quietly rob your future. The difference between a 1% fee and a 0.05% fee could be tens of thousands of dollars by retirement. That's why low-cost index funds are so powerful. They let you grow your money without bleeding it out in fees. For example, Vanguard or Fidelity offer total market funds with almost no fees. That one decision can boost your retirement by years. Some people think investing is the first step to wealth. But if you're drowning in credit card debt or don't have an emergency fund, you're not ready yet. Every time an emergency hits, you'll be forced to pull money out at the worst time. That kills your returns and your confidence. The real foundation is financial stability. You need at least 3 months of expenses saved and high-interest debts under control. Once that's set, your investments can grow without interruption. For example, if your car breaks down and you have a $1,500 emergency fund, you won't need to sell your stocks during a dip. You stay calm. You stay invested. You stay on track. People want quick results. They check their portfolios every day. They celebrate small wins and panic over tiny losses. That mindset leads to burnout and bad decisions. Real investing is boring. It's slow, but it works. The real truth is that wealth builds quietly over time. Long-term investors aren't trying to win this week. They're building for the next 10 to 20 years. Think like the rich. They invest and forget. They let compound growth take over. For example, someone who invests $500 every month for 20 years in an index fund could end up with over $250,000 depending on market performance. But someone who stops and starts constantly might only reach half that. The biggest investing mistake is thinking it's all about money. It's not. It's about mindset, chasing hype, timing markets, ignoring fees, skipping the basics, obsessing over fast results. These habits keep people broke even when they're trying to do the right thing. If you can shift your mindset to long-term, slow, consistent investing, you'll stop surviving and start growing. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to stop sabotaging your own wealth. Building wealth doesn't come from what you know. It comes from what you stop doing wrong. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today.